Hi everyone, we're VMware's cloud native apps, and we're super excited today to talk to all of you about VMworld 2018. Now we understand that Las Vegas can get very hectic. There's so much going on. So we thought it might be fun for you to have some familiar faces to meet at VMworld and learn a little bit more about how to navigate that.
I run business operations for the business unit that involves strategy, planning, and budgeting.
So I run the engineering programs that are focused on making vSphere the best platform to run cloud native apps.
I look after Pivotal Container Service and vSphere integrated containers, and a big part of my role is creating technical content to educate our customers, our field, and our partners.
So I'm assuming you've been to a few VMworlds in your time.
I've been to VMworld 7 times.
About 4 or 5.
Oh my God. The first VMworld I attended was 2005.
There's so much happening. There's sessions and hackathons and labs and workshops. Do you have any advice on how one might go about creating a schedule?
Yeah, well, so my own threshold for listening to talks is somewhere around 3 hours a day. So I would suggest that that you don't try to overload your schedule, and you might get as much value out of casual conversations in the hallway as you get in the lecture halls.
VMworld 2018 is in Las Vegas, which by any account is a very exciting place full of lots of things happening. Do you have any recommendations?
Close to the Mandalay Bay, where the event is held, there's an Irish pub, and it's in that little walkway between the Mandalay Bay and the Excalibur, and they have live music at night, and it's kind of a fun place to hang out, have a quick pint maybe.